What's going on? James Bondi's here. In this video, I'm going to go through a package that I put together for a client of mine that I'm going to be doing local marketing for. So if you have an agency, whether you're new or been doing it for a while, you can follow these pricing. And to be honest with you, the beautiful thing that I love about coaching in this space is that sometimes we get students who give us their feedback in regards to how they're running their business. And I'm like, that's actually a really good way to not only pitch this service, but price it also. When you're in this business for so long, sometimes you're just old school and you forget, that sometimes you can revamp your offer. So this one I love, and it was a very easy sell. It was more of a higher paying client. So, you can work your way up to that, but they're out there. They're everywhere. All right. So let me bring this up on the screen. Okay. And don't read ahead. Let me explain each line really quick. Okay. So the first product I picked him is, the first product I'm offering him is the website build and content creation. Luckily, I guess for me, is he didn't even have a website. So I didn't even need to kind of go into why you need a new website. He needs one anyway. He's branching off into another side of the business, and this is what he needs. So I'm charging him $2,994 one-time setup fee, which includes our CRM setup, which is like GoHighLevel. It's a white labeled version of Agency Toolbox, we call it. And what I'm doing is I'm coupling in the cost of that, because for me, it doesn't cost me anything to add another client to my GoHighLevel account, right? And so for $3,000, I'm going to put money in my pocket. And sometimes I will build sites myself. I don't mind doing it. I like to do it. And outside of my coaching business, I got nothing else to do. So I'm coupling in a 12 months of GoHighLevel for him, and plus the website, right? It's an easy sell. A lot of these guys, they're thinking the website's going to cost $5,000 to $10,000 easy. Okay. Then I'm going to set up his Google business profile, and I'm going to charge him $897 per month for that. And maybe he just paid. We'll check that out. And $897 per month for that. And that's going to include creation of the business profile. Again, new business, optimization, citations and local link building, automation for reviews, help set up his FAQ videos that we're going to put on his Google business profile, controlling the interactions within it. I'll get to that in a second. Content creation on that profile, and branding, of course. Okay. Then the next service is lead generation campaign at $2,000 a month. That's going to set him up for the local service ads, and because there's a setup there, right? You need the license and all that good stuff. And then $1,000 I'm going to put aside for that ad spend. Okay. And then the last one is kind of like a bonus, right? You could put bonus if the package is taken. Reputation management, which is included in this package deal. And what we'll be doing with that is, because I already included the CRM, this is kind of like get him over the edge, right? We're going to set up all of his automation to get him more 4 or 5-star reviews. Really, really simple. That you could go watch that video up there, how I set all that up. It's a walkthrough for reputation management, how to get businesses more reviews, because ultimately that plays into the ranking of his Google business profile. So why wouldn't I throw that in there, right? You could throw this in, maybe in here, or, maybe in here, but this kind of, I'm throwing this in here because I'm going to need to do it anyway, right? If I want to get more results for his Google business profile, I need to get him more reviews. And the best way to do that is through automation using Agency Toolbox or GoHighLevel. So month one, the total package is $5,891, and total package month two and going forward is $2,891 a month. And with that, if I look at the profit, you're looking at about $25,692 in profit. That's after taking away the ad spend, and I would take away another about $5,600, and people who will be doing some of this work for me, like Bright Local, any of these Local Falcon, and any of these for citations and Google Business Profile services that I'll be utilizing for this. Okay, so that's the package I put together. And so anybody that says that local marketing is not a profitable business, or it's too late for local to start an agency, or if you're new, it's like, how do I get there? Well, follow me for more, because I can promise you, you're going to learn a lot on this channel. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. And next week, we'll be coming out with new videos. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.